Okay, I've had a request to show how to adjust the needle position forward and backwards. So there's a screw on the left side of the machine that you're going to remove. So just use a straight screwdriver like this. Because we're going to have to remove the cover off here to get to it. Alright, there's the screw. Pull that out and set it aside. Now to remove this, you're going to have to kind of wiggle it, and it's going to have to go up over this piece right here. So pull on the bottom and then pull up. So we're pulling out this way and then up, and you can remove it. And the important thing is when you put it back on, you see this little slot here. It's got to go over a post that comes out, and you put it on there first, and then I'll show you how to get it back on and get it back together. Okay, go to Home Depot and buy a set of these Allen wrenches, because you're going to need to use the number 2 to get to the screw. So on the top of the machine here, right there to the left of the press your foot dial, there's a sunken Allen head bolt down in there, and you're going to, let me turn this around here so you can see it really good. Refocus the camera, make sure it's in good focus. Okay, there we go. Trying to make sure you can see it. Okay, we're going to loosen this, and what we're going to use to adjust it, there's a post that comes out here, and it goes inside the needle adjustment area. So that screw should be very tight, so you may have to put your Allen wrench down here like this to get some leverage on it to loosen it up. Okay, there we go. It's loosened up now. Okay, you can see it protruding out now. Now, when you do that, this bar right here, it doesn't move very much, but that's what controls your needle position. And one of the things you'll have to do probably is put a drop of oil right on that post right there. You'll see it once you pull this out. There's a post right there. Put a drop of oil on there and work this in and out, because usually when they haven't been oiled, they're very hard to move, and it makes it hard to adjust it. And I oiled this recently, so it's nice and smooth and it's moving around easily. Anyway, so what you're going to want to do is rotate your needle and go down into the machine and make sure it's not hitting anything, and then you can adjust the needle. Okay, that looks good right there. So anyway, I rotated it down in there, and I didn't have any thing grinding. You'll hear it instantly. And so once you have made a rotation, and what I would do is go ahead and take the bobbin case cover off and look at what's going on there. So that's pretty much it. So tighten it up, and once you tighten it up on that side, come down here with this shorter end in there and really tighten it up. So it needs to be good and tight. Anyway, once you've done that, you should be ready to go. Usually they slightly get off because they've hit something, and they have to be readjusted. So anyway, give that a try and let me know what you think. Take care, guys.